Hi guys, it's your friend Ballistic B, and today I'm going to show you what you can get for just $100. Now the question I have for you here is a little bit of a Price is Right spoof. For those of you that remember the Price is Right, I want you guys to guess of these three things, which one you can get for $100. So we've got to guess the price, which one of them is $100, and I'm going to reveal it to you. So here are your choices. Do we want to guess that you can get for $100 a mini drone with first-person view goggles included? Do we want to guess that you can get a mini racing boat, no prop? This is a water jet engine in the boat, mini racing boat, RTR. Everything we're showing you, RTR, right? Everything is ready to run straight out of the package, which means, again, battery included as well. So we're talking about full RTR. Or are you going to guess on a M1, M2 Abrams battle tank that fires live BB rounds from the main gun, has realistic sounds, realistic lights, and, wait for it, has infrared battle capabilities with other similar tanks to be able to engage in invisible infrared laser beam firing that it will then show you and let you hear battle damage related to it. And again, fully mobile turret, fully mobile elevating and depressing main cannon, rubber treads, the whole 9 yards. You've got everything here except, and again, 1/24th scale, you've got everything here except, again, metal gears, metal treads, everything else ready to go. Which one of these, well, are you guessing? The boat. You are correct. You're going to be able to get this boat for right at $99. And check out the description below. Click on the description below. You're going to be able to see a link to get any one of these three things should you choose to get them. And we're going to try and link some videos showing you the unboxing and how they work and all of that together at the end. So check that out as well. Now, if you guessed the racing drone, unfortunately, you're correct. Once again, you can get this for right at $100, the Emax Easy Pilot racing drone. And the great thing about this, you say, well, yeah, it probably doesn't fly really well. I've already give you a little spoiler here, already flown it a little bit. It is a little difficult, a little finicky, cannot fly in any kind of wind outside, but in really low, almost no wind at all days. You can fly it around some outside, but you know what? Even if you want to just fly it around a little bit, have some fun with it, maybe you get frustrated, scrap it, you've still got a camera, a motherboard, and a connector to a battery that is the size of a USB stick, right? That is the size of a USB drive. So you could keep all three of those things together, scrap everything else, take it apart, and still be able to, on any RC that you have, any basher, anything except maybe a plane where balance is going to be an issue, but any boat, any basher, any truck, you can attach the first-person view camera and it will link directly to the goggles which are in here. And don't forget, with any other drones that are FPV compatible, you're going to be able to use the goggles you already have. So if you buy a new FPV drone, you're going to be able to use the goggles that are already in here. If not for just scrapping the raw materials to get the camera and linking it directly to the goggles, come on, that's already worth $100 right there. Now you say, well, okay, give us the bad news. What are we going to be spending on this thing, right? You're imagining, well, we've got something that's 100 here, 100 here, but this is the one that's really going to, no, $100, 96 to be specific, $96 for a Henlong battle tank with a live firing cannon, and it comes with the battery, all the stuff you need. It even comes with a target and BBs to put in the cannon. What more could you want for $96? And of course the transmitter as well, don't worry about that. So we're gonna be showing you a video about how this thing looks, unboxing it, taking it out for a spin, I can already tell you there's going to be some interesting things going on with our first attempt with this tank. So you may want to check that video out. That's going to be worth a look. There's going to be some interesting information in there for you. And the story is ongoing right now at the moment, so we still don't know how that story is actually going to end. So check that out. Look for that video. If it's not linked with this one, look for the video for the Henlong tank review. It's going to be worth a watch. If you've got any interest in anything, again, RC related, we're talking about sea, land, and air, all for $100 a piece. $300 total, and you get something you can go in the water, have your first boat, in the air, have your first drone, and you've probably already had a couple land-based vehicles, but maybe not a tank that shoots live rounds for $300. The cost of a low-end Traxxas vehicle, and again, Traxxas is great, but a little expensive, right? For the cost of a low-end Traxxas vehicle, you could get all three. It's ridiculous. Again, descriptions below will show you links to everything. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a like, but more importantly, we need you to
bash that B button on the screen
right now. Click on it to link you to subscriptions and become a subscriber. Turn your notifications on. Be safe, be fun, and believe what $100 can get you.